What's going on, family? Welcome back to OR Trades, man. It's the Kid Restrepo. I am here to go over a few trade recaps and go over what we've seen today in the market and also let you know what I'm looking at coming in tomorrow. We're going to have a crazy end of the week, man. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're passing by, please subscribe. And after the video, let us know how we're doing in the comments section. Drop a like, man. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Let's get into the video.
The world I really been kind of stranger. But you know I got you and I won't change it.
Look. All right, so first thing first, let's go ahead and go over ES. The level I mentioned on the watch list was this 43.25 level. If we notice here what happened today during price action, we seen us slip through 43.25. We came right back up to retest it, and then we slipped. It's a beautiful, beautiful setup. Now, this is where I actually entered my calls here at 43.13 level, which was here. So we came down, initial break to the downside. We found a little bit of support here at 43.13, which was a level I mentioned on the Sunday watch list to be expecting some kind of a bounce here. We got the bounce. And then I noticed we were coming back up to retest this 43.25. The calls I took for about 25% profit. And then the puts up here at 43.25 ended up printing for 40%. I did leave some money on the table. To be honest, I was expecting us to kind of, chop around in this range here. But look at this. We had a complete meltdown and a V-shaped recovery right back up to this 43.25. Now, tomorrow, what I want to see is again how we respond around this 43.25 level. If we can get above it and maintain and hold 43.25, I will look to go long to target 43.35. This is the next level you got to be careful for. Keep an eye on how we respond here. After this, we should see 43.44 if we don't reject 43.35. I'm not exactly sure. I don't think anyone knows exactly what's going to happen for the rest of the week, but we've had a few days of massive, massive moves. Don't get caught in the chop. Play the level, secure your profits, but you do have some targets here, some profit targets that you can be looking to secure the bag at. Again, 43.25 is going to be key. Above that, 43.35, then 43.44. After that, we should be back on our way to 4,400. The level up top that I'd be looking at is this 43.96. Keep an eye on this level up here, 43.96 to 4,400. Realistically, I won't be bullish until we start to clear that. So, I'll be watching that level here in the near future. Underneath where we're at today, or where we bounced from 42.77, the next level underneath that is going to be 42.61. So, again, that's really where I think we're headed to. But there's so much uncertainty in the market. There's been a ton of volatility. We should have some kind of green day following these massive red days that we had. So, just keep an eye on those levels that I marked here. The next stock I want to go over with you guys is going to be Tesla. Tesla came under 240, but we did not close underneath 240. Keep an eye on this 240 level. We can get above that and maintain, target 250, 248 to 250. That's really the level I want to see us break above and maintain, is going to be this 250 level. If we get above it, if we get above 248, I will look to play the retest with a stop loss under 248. So clear 250, come back down and retest around 248. That's where I will go long for some more upside, targeting this 258 to 260 level. Next up is going to be Amazon. We're right at that level, 126. We did not close underneath it. If you notice, we came under it and reclaimed. This thing is ready for a nice move. Keep an eye on this level. If we can maintain above 126, you can start to target 128. After that, 130, then 132. I will be looking for a swing on Amazon depending on how ES and NQ is doing tomorrow. NVIDIA is up next here. Again, 418 has been a key level. We got underneath it, came back up, and we kind of danced around it for a little bit before we saw this move. I will definitely be eyeing this 430 range from 428 to 430. If we can get above that and hold, I will look to establish a long position targeting this 439 to 440 level. Be careful up here at this 440, 445 level. There's a lot of supply up here. This could be a good entry for a short position, but, wait to see how we respond in that area, man. A lot of great setups coming up to end the week and potentially into next week. The next one, Apple. This is actually Apple was a stock that one of my or a tickers that my brother-in-law, I mentioned to my brother-in-law to keep an eye on 173.50. If we gave that up, I was going to look for a retest. And look, we gave it up. Yes, Tuesday, came right back up and sold off. Came close to it again and sold off some more. So, Apple, the market typically responds how Apple's doing, right? So, watch this 173.50 level. If we can get back to it, get above it, maintain, then you can establish a long position. We should get back up in this channel targeting 177. But, we may come right back up to it, tap it, and sell off. Underneath this, let's see what we got down here. I mean, you can really start to get down to 167. After that, you're down here back to 162. So, like I said, I anticipate us getting somewhat of a relief bounce. We did get a V-shaped recovery today. I'm not sure if that was it, but keep an eye on these levels that I'm mentioning here, which is what I'm going to be looking at coming into tomorrow and end the week. Roku is one that is really setting up for a big move. I've seen a lot on Twitter or X, if you will. A lot of people are very short down here. They're still thinking that, Roku's going to come much lower. I don't personally agree with it. I could be wrong, right? But I think this thing is setting up for a massive move to the upside. It's right at a key level here. We haven't seemed to close underneath it. 68, 67 is really the level, but I think once we start to clear these levels, $70, you should start to see a big move to the upside. You could start to target the 73. After that, up to 74, 78. I'm sorry, 74, 75. But keep an eye on Roku. I may look to establish a swing position into next week. See if I can get some, take some profits next week sometime. But anyways, again, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're just passing by, please subscribe. I drop watch list every morning on YouTube Shorts. I do a Sunday watch list every week. And, be expecting some more content from me as the weeks go by. But drop a like, leave a comment. Let me know how we did today, man. I appreciate y'all. Great luck. Good luck the rest of the week. God bless y'all. Peace.